Welcome to Brave the Adventures with me, Hayley.
Me, Rob.
And today we're back at Efteling to look at all of the roller coasters at the park and what they have on offer. So we're going to take you on an on-ride POV for every coaster in the park. I'm going to tell you what we like about them and what one is our favourite. And there might be a bit of a surprise along the way.
And the first one we're going to go for is the Mac-powered coaster Max and Moritz, which is a wonderful fun ride with onboard audio. Can't wait.
Let's go.
Lovely.
Front row ride on the Python.
Classic 1981 Vekoma looping coaster. Lovely. Here we go. That was Python Vekoma 1981 looping coaster. What did you think?
I don't mind the Python. We had a front row ride for the POV, which I did enjoy.
You love a Python.
It has been said. I do like it. It was slow up that lift hill, but I've grown to like it. It's smooth. It had a retrack in 2018, I believe.
It did. Yeah, it rides really, really well considering the age of it. It's a rite of passage, I think it's to be said for people in the Netherlands. It's really famous. I think if they were going to take this ride out, there'd be absolute hell to pay. So yeah, keep it looked after Efteling as you are doing. It's excellent.
Flying Dutchman, which I know is one of your favourite coasters.
Everything about that ride I absolutely adore. The Vliegende Hollander, I think it's called, based on the famous ghost ship. Yeah, it's excellent. It starts off with a really good dark ride section. Actually, before then, the indoor queue is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Don't miss out on that queue.
It's got a soundtrack to die for. I just can't stop singing the soundtrack. You go through the dark ride section, which is, if anything, could be longer in my opinion.
Yeah.
It's so good. You're really disorientated there with lots of mist, wind blowing at you. It's been recently updated as well, so there's a little bit more to see in there now. And then you come out at the top and down that first drop.
And it's such a unique coaster, isn't it? It's basically the only water coaster of its kind.
It is, and it's built by Comeback, and it's the only ride they ever actually built from start to finish. So yeah, it's very, very unique here. It's brilliant. We've just had a ride there on Vogel Rok, which is the park's indoor coaster.
Yeah, from 1998 as well, and it's so smooth for a Vekoma.
It's really holding up, I think, for its age. It's really good. There's some really good effects in there. We've done a POV. You're probably not going to see anything because it's really dark. Probably a bit like the Vliegende Hollander POV as well. It's really dark in there. But I love that ride. Some really good effects.
And it's quite a nice theming as well. It's based on the mythical bird behind us, Rok from 1001 Nights. And yeah, I think it's quite a quick ride. It's not very lengthy, but it's got a really great first lift hill. And yeah, it's definitely holding its own for its age.
On-board audio as well is really good, and it's probably one of the best soundtracks out of all the rides, isn't it, at the park?
Absolutely.
And actually, we just give a shout out to the operations here at Efteling. Absolutely smashing those trains out today. It's a two-train operation. The park's not mega busy, but they've got it on 2 trains. It's just great.
We love it.
Mist. Whiting.
Oh! Oh! Here we have Baron 1898, is it? B&M dive coaster with sublime theming. It might not be the biggest drop, but it's certainly got the best theming of any of these B&M dive coasters. And that drop is quite thrilling, isn't it?
Yeah, 37.5 metres to drop, so not as big as some of the other dive coasters built by B&M, but definitely our favourite. We love the barrel roll.
Oh, the barrel roll's fantastic. My favourite bit is being held over that drop there with the wailing ladies as well. Ride on the fireside. Haley's on blue. Sue wins. That was Joris and the Draak there, the 2010 dueling GCR wooden coaster. What did you think?
I absolutely love that coaster. It's a great woody. You love a woody. What do you think?
It's such a good coaster. It was refitted with box tracks, so it's not actually a pure wooden coaster anymore. But it is such a good ride. It replaces the original wooden coaster at Efteling, Pegasus, which was really rough apparently. But yeah, it's really good. It's great fun. The flags come down at the end, whichever train wins. It wasn't ours this time.
No, we were on
water,
hot ice.
Water or fire. It's the same thing, isn't it, really? But yeah, it's brilliant. It's such a good fun ride.
We definitely look like we're enjoying it more than we do on our photo, I promise.
And a surprising entry there, Droomvlucht.
Is it a roller coaster?
Well, some people do say it is a roller coaster. In fact, the whole ride, I think, that section, excuse me,
Too much glue-by.
it serves as a giant lift hill, really.
It is, and then it's a giant helix.
It is.
All the way
So you
back
get
down
right
again.
to the top of the ride, and then gravity takes over, and you've got this like quadruple helix which takes you down to the ground. So yeah, I do think it is a roller coaster.
I mean, whatever it is, it's perfection.
It is absolutely perfection. It's our favourite ride.
It's unlike any other ride that I've ever experienced
Sorry,
in
Valhalla.
the world. And I know that there are better, newer rides, but the magic that ride creates is just perfect.
It's
There's nothing like it.
incredible. We've talked about it at length in other films, so we're not going to go too much over it now. But shall we?
No, if you want to find out more about Dreamflight, there is a wealth of other Efteling content on our channel. So don't forget to give us a subscribe and a like and a comment on our videos. We'd really appreciate it. And thanks for braving the adventures with us.
Thank you.